All right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new multi-purpose cigar lighter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off reviews. Let's go take a look at it. All right. Oh, very cool. Here it is. All right, so go over some of the features on here. So it does have a cigar cutter right here. So we're going to open that up. Very cool. Feels very sharp. And then right here, you do have your cigar punch. So that way you can just punch it there. And then obviously the lighter part, as well as the cigar holder right back here. But let's go actually fill it up with butane. You're gonna fill it back here. This one I have. Just put a little bit. There it is. And what's cool is you can actually, they sent this tool along with it, so that way you can adjust how much flame you actually want. Damn, that is cool. I only put a little bit. Very, very, very cool. I did want to show this piece of it right there. And just get you a little closer up on this. Like I said, it's got a little weight to it, but it could easily just fit in your pocket and it'd be good to go. So as you can see, it has everything that you need in a one-stop shop for your cigars, from the cutter to the cigar punch, and obviously the lighter and holder. So if you guys are looking for a new cigar multi-tool accessory, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.